Hello friends, my name is Rajkumar Saab. I take this opportunity to present my views in favor of my topic National Education Policy 2020, a good initiative or not. Absolutely, National Education Policy is a good initiative because National Education Policy is bold attempt by central government to change how education is imported from KG to university. National Education Policy 2020 is a broad-based education. It is a broad-based education. NEP focus learning how to learning how to learn, what to learning how to learn, what to learn. This is the very important initiative of 21st century. Policy will focus on early childhood care. Policy will focus on early childhood care. National education policy will help in realization of Skill India mission. We have already lots of Skill India mission, lots of Skill India project from by our government. So national education policy enhance our skill through Skill India mission. It aims for the measure overall of the Indian education system. It aims for the measure overall of the Indian education system. National Education Policy 2020 is a good policy as it aims at making the education system holistic, flexible, multidisciplinary, aligned to the needs of 21st century, aligned to the needs of 21st century and 2030 sustainable development goals. Sustainable development goals. This is important 2030 sustainable development goals. The intent of policy seem to be ideal in many ways, but it is the implementation where lies the key to success. At present Indian education system is criticized. By many due to many reasons, such as its root learning, such as its important root learning methods, and outdated curriculum. We all have experienced outdated curriculum. Market trending versus my syllabus, market needs versus my syllabus, industry need versus my syllabus, what syllabus are teaching and what industry require, what present scenario require. So India is ranking 31st. India is ranking 31st in global ranking of 2020. So National Education Policy 2020 can completely change our education system. It will enhance our education system for good, because it is crafted well according to the requirements of 21st century. By 2030 India will have the largest population of youth. And National Education Policy 2020 helps in utilizing the demographic dividend, and it can also make an Indian knowledge hub of world by attracting foreign students. Just you see in IITs, foreign students are attracted. Various colleges, various state and central government, we are attracted to other university. So it will be the reverse for the India in the upcoming years. 2030 sustainable development is the very important. It is the trending. National education policy is the finally a good initiative. It is a 100% good initiative taken by the central government, taken by the HRD minister. Thank you.